Looks like we got the end of the track closed off. Heat number 2. Again, 6 running will advance automatically to the feature. Derby fans, here we go. Help me do it again. 5, 4. Quite the action here in heat number 2 to kick things off. And that one would have hurt. That was all metal on that bumper that's now gone. And a good job by our officials. And a countdown from 3. And 3, 2, 1, go! Into that car caved in right away. And problems already for the 79X of Blake DeWitt. Yep, 79X is out. Now keeping an eye on that 7D and the number 3. All stop, all stop. Three, 2, 1, go! And the number 3 is out now of Anthony Whitker. Final 6. So our 6 moving on again is the number 16S. That was that station wagon Bradley Stemman Jr. The number 383 of Brad Stenman, the number 109 of Justin Kleinhaus, the number 11D of Damian Silvera, Gary Gaylor, the number 07. 1970 Ed Hoffman, 1974 Hoffman also moving on.